Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You begin by opening Microsoft Loop and navigating to the specific page or component where the file belongs. Once there, make sure your file is accessible on your device or in OneDrive. This reduces interruptions. You should check the file type and size because Loop supports common formats but may limit very large files. Start the upload now by selecting the component you want. This first action ties the file to the right context and speeds collaboration. Once inside the component, click the plus or attachment icon to attach a file. You'll see options like upload or link from OneDrive. Choose upload to pick from your device or link to grab a cloud file so changes stay synchronized. As you select the file, Loop shows upload progress. Watch it so you can cancel and retry quickly if there's a network glitch. Make sure the file lands in the correct component so teammates find it where expected. To finish, verify the file preview appears and set permissions so people can view or edit as needed. Loop inherits workspace sharing, so adjust if required. Then share the page link or mention collaborators to notify them. If something goes wrong, first check your network and that you're signed into the correct account. Next, confirm the file size and format. Finally, retry upload or link the file from OneDrive. This sequence resolves most.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.